CashPace claims to let users earn real money by playing games, completing tasks, and participating in challenges. The app interface is clean and easy to navigate, and it frequently offers bonus opportunities to increase earnings. Real users, however, report that reaching the withdrawal minimum is slow, requiring many hours of gameplay or task completion. The app supports withdrawals via PayPal or other digital wallets, and some users confirm successful payouts, though not consistently. There are also occasional glitches, delayed reward updates, and confusing instructions on how to redeem points, which can frustrate new users. Transparency is limited as well, since information about the company running CashPace is scarce, and support responses may take time. In short, the app is not a scam. Some people do receive payments, but it should not be considered a reliable or fast way to make money. If you enjoy casual gaming and are patient, you might earn small amounts, but managing expectations is key.